myself and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man, you niggas living a lie. Middleman trying to play the plug and making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas, stop it.
What it do, gang? You already know. It's your boy, DIPGOD. With another banger. So on today's episode, I have a beautiful, no, I ain't gonna say beautiful. I have a nice ass. Oh! So on today's episode of Dip by the God, I have a brand new Honda Accord here behind me. Pearl white, I love the color. Customer decided to go with a Jasper green. It's like a dark green, but you guys of course will stay tuned and watch the end of the video and you will see the end result. I'm not gonna waste no time. This is gonna be a very, very fun project and he told me to have fun with it. So on that note, before we get into the video, I need to make sure that y'all smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment letting me know how you guys think this will turn out. It's already late and I need to get started. Let's go.
They don't like that shit. Watch me talk my shit. Like that shit. Small and split.
Oh! He needs some milk.
I'm so lit. Lit like big. Niggas fake. Swear they counterfeit. It's okay, cause they will not win. Oh shit. Watch me pop my shit. Ooh, Betty Crocker whip. Ooh, yeah, you so damn thick. Put it in your esophagus. Ay, I got skin. She knew it off the rail. Ay, pussy so moist, it was falling off the rail. I had no choice. Like who can I can? Alright, cool. I pity a fool. I'm yelling cash rules. Watch me take him to school.
Girl, I haven't talked to you since high school. I'm for Billy Mama, I'm a iPhone. She said she wanna fuck, I said alright, cool. She said she wanna fuck, I said alright, cool.
So it is now day 2 of this project of painting this Honda a Jasper green. I've been drinking a lot of Starbucks lately. Honestly, to be honest with y'all, this is probably my second time ever trying Starbucks and I think this might be the new norm when I'm working long nights like this. I left last night at 3 o'clock and now I'm back in the shop at 8 a.m. just to finish his customer's car so he could drive all the way back to Pennsylvania and show all his friends how to dip God in Florida, Orlando to be exact, transform that beast into the baddest stock Honda on the road. I'm gonna do a quick walk around the vehicle to show you exactly what I finished last night and let the painting begin. Let's go.
Somebody please tell me how I get to heaven. Do I make a U-turn or did I miss the exit? Life teaches till you learn your lesson. I thank God for the guts, then I burn my blessings. A while back I heard the motto, you receive what you pay for. I just wish the same rules apply with what I pray for. Me against the world, I ain't tripping when it's 10 of me. So it's fuck the world, like I'm sleeping with the enemy. Take a closer look, my line's deeper than the surface. Clear to see I'm blowing up, like I walk around in turbans. Say the good in the game, bring houses and Ferraris. Bitches down to blow like you need balloons for a party. But there's another side that's much worse. You can lose it all and all your loved ones desert you. You can even lose yourself and drown, even though you fight hard. Good thing I brought a mirror and a lifeguard. Yeah, nothing was ever handed to us. All your good deeds did damage to us. Still no excuse to fail, nothing is stopping you. Magic showed the world through AIDS, nothing's impossible. That's something even magic can't explain. Maybe it's all magic, or the magic of fame. Lost in the world, but deep inside the game. Can create another hit, they quickly forget your name. Niggas all sound the same, niggas all sound the same. This shit was so real, I had to say it again. Dangle in front of our face what they know that we can't attain until we attain fame. And that's a road full of flames, full of fire. Welcome to hell, hey. Yes. Look, I be the nigga. That's me. Now tell me where I begin. For starters, God made me in perfect identical twins. I met two twins that love what I do. They skip lunch, so I gave them both meat. Call that dinner for two. I can't believe what you say you do. If I know real niggas that know real niggas that don't know you. And if the Glock is a blizzard, you can call it boys to men, cause I'ma let it snow on you bitch niggas. I'm dope minded, I give them line for line. Now I got the DEA trying to confiscate my mind. Yeah, and if trouble's what they looking for, then I'ma grab the Glock and keep pulling like my fingerprint.
Customer pulled up. How you feel about it, cuz?
Man, look, I'm in love. Here's my new baby. Look at that. Drip God got me right. Look at that. Come check him out. You know.
Alright.
Shit.
Do a quick walk around real quick. I thought so. You going back to PA.
Sir.
Put the saran wrap on there. That way the blood bugs don't kill them. See Jasper going. It's hard, man. Sheesh. Woo. Yes, sir. And it's crazy because in certain light it looks black.
It looks black. When I pulled up, I was like, damn, is it black? I thought you got it green. I was like, nah, that's what I thought too. But hold up. And then I hit the light. I was like, oh,
That shit green.
That's right.
Yeah, that shit green. That shit dope though.
I was like, oh. And that's why I'm like, damn, I don't think I need to do anything else black on it because of the color itself looks somewhat black.
Yeah. Nah, you good, bro?
Oh, at night, that Jones gonna definitely look black.
Oh yeah, at night you gonna be stealth.
That's gonna be hard at night, yo. My Lord.
So with that being said and done, another happy customer, another satisfied customer. Of course, if you want that done to your car, it was a Jasper green, gloss black wheels and red calipers. Make sure you jump in my DMs on Instagram at DIPGOD. We can go ahead and get something booked. It is now 7:41. I started my day at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go home, shower, probably have a drink, and get ready for tomorrow. I really want y'all to have a blessed day. And make sure you subscribe to my channel.
In my eyes as a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to them crackers holding that fishing rod.